Hello everyone, good evening. I'm preparing our dinner. Naghanda ako ng my own version of nabi. Then naghanda din ako ng carpaccio. And then adobong sugpo with butter and garlic. So ito na yung hapunan namin ngayon. Seafoods at saka nabin na cheese talaga ang nilalagay ko. Maraming mushrooms at saka iba-ibang klaseng gulay ang nakalagay sa nabe. Ayan, this is yasay nabe. Thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video.